Once upon a time, in a lush, green jungle, there were two parrot friends named Peanut and Pickle. Peanut was bright yellow with a cheerful personality and loved singing. Pickle, on the other hand, had dazzling green feathers and was curious by nature, always ready for an adventure. One sunny morning, Peanut and Pickle decided to explore beyond the tall trees of their usual playground. They flapped their wings and soared high above the jungle, spotting colorful flowers and hidden waterfalls. As they flew further, they came across a mysterious, sparkling object on the ground. "Look, Peanut!" Pickle squawked, pointing with his wing. They swooped down to take a closer peek. The object was a beautiful, shimmering key. What could this unlock? Wondered Peanut, her eyes wide with excitement. Pickle chirped, "Maybe it's a treasure. Let's find out." With the key in Pickle's beak, they set off on their quest. After flying over streams and dodging monkeys throwing bananas, they arrived at a giant, ancient tree with a strange door carved into its trunk. "This must be it," exclaimed Peanut. With a flutter, Pickle inserted the key into the keyhole. The door creaked open, revealing a hidden room filled with glittering fruit and golden seeds of every kind.